What if your entire infrastructure engineering workflow suddenly became faster, smarter, and completely independent of CAD and Excel? No memory limits, no software dependency, no extra steps. Welcome to ESurvey CAD 2026. Not just an upgrade, but a complete rebuild. ESurvey CAD has taken a massive leap forward. Earlier versions were running as a 32-bit application with memory limitations and heavy dependency on external softwares like third-party CAD and MS Excel. What's new in ESurvey CAD 2026? Welcome to ESurvey CAD 2026. Smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever before. Let's take a quick look at what's new. First, ESurvey CAD is now completely independent of CAD software. You can import and export drawings without installing any CAD application. Drawings can be saved in DWG formats from 2000, 2010, 2013, up to 2018. Second, it's now fully independent of Excel and MS Office. You can import XLS, XLSX, and CSV files, and all reports are exported directly to XLSX format. No Excel installation required. Third, ESurvey CAD 2026 is now a 64-bit application, allowing you to handle large projects and big data smoothly and efficiently. Fourth, you can now generate PDFs directly from all ESurvey CAD modules. Fast, simple, and hassle-free. Fifth, road design plan and profile layout sheets can now be generated and exported to PDF along with the topo map. Sixth, in the contour and earthwork module, CAD data can be imported directly by selecting the CAD file, saving time and effort. Seventh, section interpolation is now available within ESurvey CAD itself. No need for external CAD software. Eighth, in long section and cross-section graphs, gradient values are displayed clearly without overlapping, and dimension arrow sizes are now fully customizable. And finally, a brand new traverse correction module has been introduced. It supports both open and closed traverses, with correction methods like bowditch, transit, and least square. That's ESurvey CAD 2026. More independence, more power, and more precision. Upgrade today and experience the difference. ESurvey CAD 2026 is now fully rebuilt as a true 64-bit application. That single change unlocks speed, stability, scalability, and an entirely new way of working. Let's break down what's new, and more importantly, how it improves your real-world productivity. 1. Completely independent of CAD and Excel. This is one of the biggest breakthroughs. You can now import and export drawings without installing AutoCAD, BricsCAD, or ZW CAD. You can import XLS, XLSX, and CSV files without Microsoft Excel installed in your machine. All reports are exported directly to XLSX format. That means lower system cost, no licensing dependency of CAD or Excel, faster deployment across multiple systems. ESurvey CAD is now a self-contained infrastructure design powerhouse. Save drawings in multiple CAD versions. Even without CAD installed, you can now save drawings as AutoCAD 2007, 2010, 2013, 2018. This ensures compatibility with any client or consultant, regardless of their CAD version. 2. True 64-bit performance. Handle big data effortlessly. Earlier, 32-bit architecture restricted memory usage. Large earthwork datasets, dense contours, and heavy drawings meant slow processing. Now with 64-bit architecture, the software utilizes available system RAM efficiently. Large earthwork projects process dramatically faster. Performance remains stable even with complex datasets. Simply put, what took long time earlier now completes faster. 3. Direct PDF generation from ESurvey CAD. All modules. Earlier, generating PDFs was a time-consuming process. You had to export data to a CAD application, set up layouts, plot the drawing, and then create the PDF. Now with ESurvey CAD, this entire workflow is simplified. You can generate professional PDFs directly from most ESurvey CAD screens without exporting to any external CAD software. Let's look at an examples where you can create PDFs directly from ESurvey CAD. Example: Contour. Open ESurvey CAD Contour and go to the Contour map screen. Click on the View button to generate the contour drawing. After the drawing is generated, click on Print Preview. Select the required print template, A0 to A4, in the template settings. Adjust the scale to fit the drawing in the printable area. Enter the page number if required. Click on Print PDF. In the PDF settings window, set the page orientation, paper margins, paper size, and select a CTB file if pen assignment is needed. Click Save PDF, enter the file name, select the save location, and the PDF will be created. Similarly, Earthwork, Topodraw, Road Design other PDFs are created. With ESurvey CAD, creating high-quality PDFs is now faster, simpler, and fully integrated directly from your working screens. 4. Once your cross-sectional drawings are ready, go to the Cross-Section tab and click on Print. Here you can plot the sectional drawings either individually or as a set. To plot a set of sections, click on the Set tab and specify the from and to chainage values. Next, select the drawing type as multiple sections. Under Drawing Scale, enter the required horizontal and vertical scale values. After setting the scale, click on CS Preview. In the preview screen, open Settings and choose the output location where you want to save the PDF file. Now enter the layout parameters such as sections per row, rows per drawing, sections in the last row, approximate drawing height, approximate drawing width. Then, select the required template file. Next, set the top margin and left margin. Specify the drawings per row and adjust the column spacing and row spacing as needed. After that, enter the starting page number and the page count value and click on the Apply button. Once all settings are applied, click on the PDF button. Now, set the required orientation, either portrait or landscape. Choose the scale option, 1:1 or scale to fit, based on your requirement. Set the paper margins and select the appropriate paper size. If required, you can also select a CTB file. Click on the Preview button to review the plot. If everything looks correct, click on Save PDF to plot all cross-sections. Finally, enter the file name and click Save. Your PDF file containing all cross-section drawings will be generated in less than a minute. 5. Road Design, Plan and Profile Layout Sheets in ESurvey CAD. Earlier, creating road plan and profile drawings involved multiple steps. You had to export data to CAD and use advanced layout software to generate plan and profile sheets. Now with ESurvey CAD, that entire process is simplified. You can directly create plan and profile layout sheets from within ESurvey CAD. No CAD export, no additional software, and no extra steps. In ESurvey CAD Road Design, once you complete the design of the horizontal curve, vertical curve, cross-section, and plan, you'll find a new tab called Plan and Profile. Let's see how it works. First, open the Plan and Profile tab and start with the layout settings. In Drawing Settings, define the profile shift along the X and Y axis and adjust the header position as required. Next, select your layout template file. Then, configure the layout parameters, including start chainage, interval, plan scale, profile scale, overlap, and margins. If you need a key plan on every sheet, set up the key plan settings. After that, specify the number of layout sheets and assign page numbers for each sheet. Now, select the topo files. These files will be overlaid on the selected drawing and displayed as the background for each plan sheet. Once everything is set, click Layout. ESurvey CAD automatically generates the plan and profile layout sheets based on your settings. To export the output, click PDF. In the PDF settings window, Define the page orientation, paper size, paper margins, and select a CTB file if pen assignment is required. Finally, click Save PDF, choose the file name and location, and your professional plan and profile PDF is ready. With ESurvey CAD, road design documentation is faster, simpler, and more efficient than ever. And what if you don't have any CAD software at all? No problem. VDF CAD version 1.0 is provided free to all ESurvey CAD users, perfect for basic edits. Simply open the VDF application, click File, Open, and load your drawing. You can easily zoom and pan through the drawing. Editing is simple, polylines can be modified easily, and text updates are quick and smooth. Not just within the drawing, you can also update title block details like the project name, date, and other information effortlessly. 6. Direct contour and earthwork from CAD drawings. Earlier, creating contour files and earthwork calculations required multiple export steps from CAD. Now, with ESurvey CAD, you can generate contours and earthwork calculations directly from CAD drawings, faster and with fewer steps. Let's start with contour generation. Creating contours directly from a CAD drawing. First, open the ESurvey CAD 64 application. Create a new project specifically for contour generation. Next, go to the Surface menu and click on Import CAD. Select the CAD drawing file that contains elevation data and boundaries. In the Ground tab, select the layer from the drop-down list that contains elevation text, and then click Import. If a boundary is available, select the boundary layer and click Import. If your drawing includes break lines, select the break line layer and import it as well. Once all the required data is imported, go to the contour screen. Apply the necessary contour settings and generate the contour drawing. Now let's move on to earthwork calculation. Earlier you had to export ground, formation, and boundary data from CAD and perform calculations separately. This process is now fully simplified in ESurvey CAD. Creating earthwork calculations directly from a CAD drawing. Open the ESurvey CAD 64 application. Create a new project for earthwork calculation. Go to the Surface menu and click on Import CAD. Select the CAD drawing that contains ground elevation and boundary data. In the Ground tab, choose the layer that contains elevation text and click Import. If a boundary is available, select the boundary layer and import it. Next, go to the Earthwork tab to import formation levels or surface lines. Select the CAD drawing that contains formation elevations, choose the layer with formation elevation text, and click Import. If your drawing includes a surface line, select the drawing, choose the surface line layer, and import it. After importing all the required data, go to the Earthwork screen. Apply the necessary settings and generate the earthwork drawing and quantity report. With ESurvey CAD, contour generation and earthwork calculation are now faster, simpler, and fully integrated, directly from your CAD drawings. 7. Built-in section interpolation, no CAD commands required. Earlier, creating cross-sections involved multiple CAD commands, manual interpolation, and repeated exports. Now everything happens directly inside ESurvey CAD. First, open the ESurvey CAD 64 application. Create a new project file specifically for section generation. Next, go to the Start menu and click on the Import CAD data icon. In the Import CAD data window, click on Open DWG. The Import CAD window will open. Select the drawing file that contains the alignment and elevation information. Choose the layer that contains the elevation text. Then, select the centerline alignment. Set the starting chainage. Define the section interval. If required, enable the option to generate sections at the vertex chainages of the alignment. Now, specify the offset distances where elevation values are required. Select the destination layer where the interpolated elevation text should be saved. Click on the Generate button and confirm by clicking Yes. Once the process is complete, close the Import CAD window. Finally, go to the Preview Tool menu. Here, you can view the generated cross-sections and longitudinal section. No MCH, no CSA, no interpolation commands. Everything happens seamlessly inside ESurvey CAD. 8. New Traverse Correction Module. Faster, clearer, more powerful. Earlier, traverse correction was completely Excel-based. While it was simple, many users found it confusing, and the software had limited features. The new traverse correction application is also Excel-based, but with a redesigned interface and enhanced functionality that makes calculations faster, clearer, and more efficient. Traverse correction can be performed using two types of traverses: open traverse, Bowditch method; transit method, closed traverse, Bowditch method. Transit method. Crandall's least square method. The application supports all traverse types and correction methods. Before starting, all data must be converted into easting and northing coordinates. You need two types of input: GPS points, survey points. Both should be in easting-northing format. Example 1. Open traverse, Bowditch method. Open the application and select Open Traverse, then choose Bowditch method. Use the template button to enter GPS data and import the Excel file. Click Compute to prepare the data. Next, import survey points using the Traverse computation template. Click Adjust to generate corrected results. Export the full Excel report and drawing file if required. Example 2. Closed traverse, transit method. Select Closed traverse, then choose Transit method. Import survey data using the provided template. Click Adjust to compute the closed traverse. Export the detailed Excel report and drawing file. Example 3. Conversion tools in ESurvey Traverse. Correction. ESurvey Traverse Correction includes a dedicated Conversion Tools menu to convert field data into required formats. Available conversion tools include: 1. Bearing and distance to easting and northing. 2. Horizontal angle and distance to easting and northing. 3. Easting and northing to bearing and distance. Horizontal angle and azimuthal bearing. 4. Miscellaneous tools such as angle in degree to DMS, angle in DMS to degrees, azimuthal bearing to horizontal angle, reduced bearing to WCB, WCB to reduced bearing. With this application, both open and closed traverse corrections can be completed in just a few clicks. The new Traverse Correction tool delivers accuracy, flexibility, and ease of use for modern surveying work. ESurvey CAD 2026 isn't just an update, it's a complete transformation, built for speed, simplicity, and modern surveying workflows. And the best part? This upgrade is completely free for users under annual maintenance contract or warranty. If you want to see how ESurvey CAD 2026 can transform your projects, book a demonstration today. Call 9449599709 or email info@esurveying.net. Let us show you surveying the smarter way.